Welcome back to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a gripping tool used to pick up the spools that you see here and tilt up to 90 degrees to place on a rack. We've got an adjustable screw in this area so we can get anywhere from 20 to 90 degrees in our tilt position. In this case, I think the rack is close to 60 degrees, so we don't have the rack here to demonstrate that, but we did set the angle close to what your rack angle is. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how this works. We'll lower the jaws into place. I have a slow down set at this lower level. I hit the clamp button. We encapsulate and grip. Now you can go ahead and hit the tilt. You'll see the angle here is really close to your rack. Again, you can't adjust that here. One of the challenges with this application were the low overhead that we had to deal with, so the overall height has to be as minimal as possible. You cannot unclamp the part until you pull the common trigger and unclamp at the same time. Of course, we do have the float mode here on the G-force handle. I hit the G button. They'll register the weight, and now you can easily raise and lower the spool itself by hand. I'll set the part down. Again, pull the common trigger in, hit the unclamp button, and you're safe to release. Alright, thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomanufacturing.com for more product videos.